Good morning dear students, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start a new chapter number 2, that is basic accounting terms. This is one of the most important chapters because in the other words you can say that this is the language of accountancy. These are the words that we have to use frequently in our accounting, so you must be very clear about the meaning of all these transactions. Okay, so today we will discuss first 6 transactions from your book, and your first transaction is business transaction. Now transaction means where there will be some outflows and inflow of money, right? Means the transactions which are related to the business, or in the other words we can say that an economic activity is called transaction. Economic activity means that activity which is related to sale and purchase and whose main motive is to earn profit. So all those transactions which are connected to our business will be called business transaction. For example, I have purchased a sofa set for the business. So I am using the word for the business of rupees 50,000 because this is an asset for the business. So this is called a business transaction. If I say that I have purchased a sofa set for my home, so because there is no connection with that sofa set with my business, so that transaction that is the transaction, but that is not a business transaction. So the transaction which is connected to the economic activity, only that transaction will be called as business transaction. The next one is event. Now what is event? Event means the result of a transaction. How the result? For example, suppose I am having a furniture business. I purchased a sofa set of rupees 20,000 and I sold it in the market at rupees 30,000. What I am saying, I am a furniture dealer. I just purchased a sofa set of rupees 20,000. Now I am selling it at 30,000 rupees. Then what is the result of his transaction? A profit of rupees 10,000. So this is called an event. Event means the result of a transaction. जो भी result होगा transaction का, that will be called an event. Then is account. Now you all know that there are different nature of transactions in the business. So when a particular nature of all the transactions which are related to a particular nature will be placed at a single place, that place is called an account, right? So this is an account. So this will be prepared in a T format. There is a proper format to make an account. So here we have to write account. Now you all know that in business there are two types of transactions, whether there will be inflow or outflow. So that is why all the accounts are having two sides. Its left side will be called the debit side, its right side will be called the credit side, right? So what is an account? According to nature of every transaction, all the transactions related to a single nature will be placed at a single place. That place will be called an account. The next is capital. Now what is capital? You all know that whenever we have to start any business or a new business, then we need money to start it. So the initial amount that is invested into the business, right, or the amount that is introduced in the business, that amount is called capital. In the other words, I can say that when an owner invests money or introduce money into the business in order to start it, that money invested or introduced is called capital. Next is drawings. Now what are drawings? When any proprietor or businessman withdraws money from the business for his or her personal use. For example, Mr. Ram is a proprietor, right? He withdraws 20,000 in order to pay tuition fees of his son. Now because that money is taken out from the business, so that is a business transaction. But because the proprietor is withdrawing money for his or her personal use, so that transaction or that amount will become drawings. So what are drawings? When any person withdraws money out of the business for his or her personal use, right? That personal use may be of any kind, whether he is purchasing like an almirah for the house, then he is paying his life insurance policy premium. So all transactions are related to him personally, but the money is taken out from the business. That is why this term is called drawing. Then is liability. See, what is liability, students? Liability means the amount which is borrowed from someone and it is to be repaid after some time. You all know that business में क्या होता है, कभी भी हमें मनी की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है, then we take loan from the bank or we just lend money from a person. So जब भी हम लोग वो पैसा बोरो करते हैं, then you all know that we have to pay it back after a certain period of time. तो जब तक वो पैसा आप रीपे नहीं करते टू द पर्सन और टू द इंस्टीट्यूशन फ्रॉम whom you have taken that amount, so till then the amount will be called liability. Liability means the funds which are taken from any person or party for a specific period of time, and after that period or after a certain period it will be repaid to the person or the authority. So this is liability. I hope you have understood all these 6 accounting terms. So next terms we will discuss in our next video. Till then, please do practice, work hard and send me your queries. Thank you so much.